The chart of Aussie US. As you can see from here, this is what we call Ultra Superman bar. What is the Ultra Superman bar? As you can see, the depth of the length bar. If you take this length, you can put down here. You can not only engulf the whole trading channel, you also big, humongous big. So this 50 bar is a shot. It's a good time to go short. Okay, as you see, if you have shorted, if you follow the one bar breakout rule, shorted and below this candles, you're still making profits over this part. So you're still making money over at this part here. Now currently our friend the Aussie dollars is 0.7585. We're shorted over here. Man, you should be able to make about 30 pips now. So this is one Superman breakout bar based on normal one candle breakout trading. For more experienced students, ultra students, they will not wait for one candle breakout bar. They will do what we call a Superman ultra intra candle trade. I'm using Superman first, because in order to do an intra candle trade, you must have a Superman bar. This is a Superman bar. So if for my ultra students, they will enter right around here. Why? Around here no here. So around here. Why? Because why? The chart breakout, this bar, a humongous Superman bar is being formed. And not only that, it breaks the chart low. So once you break the chart low, it's what we call break into what we call clear sky. It means that there is no, based on the chart patterns from here, you can't see anything here. You cannot see any support resistance here. So come here. So they will enter around here somewhere. If you enter, let's say enter around here, they actually made a nice chunk of profit, and you're still making profit now. So from ultra trade now become day trading, and if continue to go down, it become a swing. We hold one night swing trading, like my Euro trades. My Euro trade has been going for the last 4 days, since Thursday last week. I mean, day ultra trading, I make nice profits. Thursday night I open another trade, I leave it until now. It's still convert, it's still making profits, nice profits. So now how far can it go? We do not know. We do not care. Okay? Because now as a good trader, why we don't care how far it go? Because we don't want to forecast the market. We want to trade market. How far it go? We do not know. So what we can do? We see market, trade market. So what we have to do for my students, ultra students, they will put a trading stop loss. This case I wrote, not trading stop. Trading take profit order using a price action number, higher time frame price action number. You can afford to do it based on the candlesticks that we're looking about this slide again. There's no problem because now they're making nice profit. So as the market go low, then the ultra trade will maximize the profit. If the market reverse back, flip over one price action over up, reverse upwards, your take profit order will be triggered and you exit out. So how far much we don't know. We leave it alone. Like my Euro trade, it's still ongoing. Okay?